Hello friends, today I am going to unbox a new product. It's called milk frother. So when we make some coffee or tea, then we can make foam inside the coffee with milk. So it's basically it's kind of like a mixture, as you can see. The pocket or mini version of the mixture. So it has a high speed motor inside, so it can mix, shake the milk with the cafe or tea and make the froth or the foam up to the milk. So it's mainly the milk frother, the name. And here you can see on the box, um, they mention the functions of each of the part here, and it's a European Union and UK certified product. It's mainly from China. I ordered it online from Amazon, and the main advantage is that it has like rechargeable battery with type C port. That's the main benefits. And you can see here, as I already said, so it's whip up the creamy froth and easy to clean. And here is some small technical specification, like it has the motor speed 11,000 rpm and 13,000 rpm, USB type C charging port, and the rechargeable battery has 800 milliampere lithium ion and suitable for milk, coffee, egg and drink. So it's mainly for kitchen use tool. So let's unbox. Wow. So this is the part. As you can see, it's very nice organized packaging with foam. And this is the cable, the charging cable, USB type C. And this is the cover. Here are some mixing steel rods. So for more foam, we can use the dual sided rods or single sided rods, or for egg we can use this one. And this is the main body. So it's heavy little bit. It has battery inside and motor inside. And here is the on button and charging port also. And here we can connect each of the any of the mixing steel here. And also when you put in the kitchen, you can also make it like to cover it up like this. Yes, it's turned on. It has 2 speed, yeah, slow and fast. And see, so when you cover it up, then it seems like a normal pipe, and it's looks very elegant, very premium. And then unlock. So that's it from today. See you in another video. Until then, bye.